Started in late 2019 in a small town of Wuhan in China, COVID-19 spread like a wildfire, affecting thousands of people and killing thousands among them. A person infected shows clear symptoms like wet or dry cough, difficulty breathing, and high fever. As soon as these symptoms start showing, practice self quarantine in order to limit the infection to yourself. If you share your living space with another individual and there is no other alternative of staying at some other place, make sure that as a preventive measure, you should clean shared objects like tap, doorknobs, handles, toilet seats, etc. with a disinfectant. Maintain at least 2-meter distance from each other and keep the space fully ventilated at all times. If these symptoms don't go away in 7 days or the condition of an individual worsen, contact NHS 111 online or call 999 and they will make a special arrangement for you to take you to the treatment facility. These symptoms may go unnoticed at first, but inside the human body it may turn to a viral pneumonia and can lead to an acute respiratory syndrome. At this time, patient needs immediate medical attention. What we can do for prevention is practice good hygiene and restrain by washing our hands with warm and soapy water from inside out and in between our fingers for at least 20 seconds regularly. In absence of water and soap, use an alcohol-based hand sanitizer in order to get rid of any virus that you might have picked up by touching a contaminated surface. Avoid close contact with the individual suffering from respiratory infections. Ask them to wear a mask in order to limit the infection. Please note, it is imperative for an individual suffering from a respiratory infection to wear a mask and not everyone else. Avoid touching your mouth, eyes, nose, and shaking hands with others. In case COVID-19 is spreading in your area, stay indoors or at a distance of 2 meters or 3 steps away from others, and avoid attending any gatherings or going to crowded places. The elderly with a medical history of heart disease, diabetes, and lung disease, and those with a weak immune system are more susceptible to get infected, and it is advised to them to take extra precautionary measures. The most effective way to contain this disease has been quarantine. Initially, the measures for containing the disease were not that strict, but now the suspected patients are quarantined and treated as soon as they come forward with the symptoms.